have any people we can give to?
Oh yeah, a bunch of them.
I thought I've got
Yes.
some stuff.
I gave Zoe some bleach. Gonna top herself with it now. Drink the bleach, Zoe. Drink it. Alright then. Look.
Guys, here you go. Stuff here.
You gave Zoe the bleach?
I'm just accepting. I gave Zoe the bleach, yeah. I've got so many new quests available.
Guys,
Does Zoe
I've given
give
some
him
people some
anything
stuff
for
you
the
might-
bleach?
No. Just XP. So much stuff. Oh, look at this stuff.
Impact mod.
Ooh.
Tesla mod. Man, alright.
Nice. Alcohol. I'm drinking that. More alcohol. Drinking that too.
Alcohol everywhere.
So much alcohol. Molotov. I'll drink that. I'll set it on fire and drink it. I'm hardcore. Don't try that at home.
I've just given stuff to that guy as well.
Oh,
Wait, what
yeah,
level are
that's that
people
one.
now on the team?
Magic wand mod. That took us forever to get before. Jesus Christ.
Okay, to be fair, we didn't realise you could do it before.
No, our team
I'm
are
just
level
giving
11.
people everything.
Damn, I just got
Some more stuff we can
8,000 XP. Or, no, 8,000.
collect. Jesus Christ.
Has anybody got any more meat for this person?
I just got
think it's
16,000 XP from this chick for the canned food.
By the way, am I the only... What's wrong with my TV? My actual sound on my game's gone.
You didn't do that before?
I don't know. I just realised that. That's weird.
Well, let's just drink and be
No,
happy.
it's a
Oh, I'm level 31.
it's a bug in the game. My sound's gone now too.
Mine has. Whoa. Should we end it here, guys?
Alright.
Yeah. Wait, can
Yeah.
the viewers still hear us?
We don't know.
Alright, well, we'll go ahead and end this here.